Welcome back to the channel, folks. This is daily update for Bed Bath & Beyond, and I really hope you guys taking notes and you are subscribed to the channel because I'm releasing video every day on the stock until the short interest either goes down on the stock or they come up with some financials that we know that this company is good to go, and there is no more. It's not a confirmed, not a meme stock anymore, and we cannot see a short squeeze. So until then, I'll keep making videos, and let's talk about some of the fundamentals because the information here is very important, very crucial, because this way you could foresee the upcoming move, right? So let's talk about the very first thing I want to show you guys today is the institutional holdings for this. What are institutions? So institutions are the big dogs like BlackRock, Vanguard, Citadel, and Invesco. These are big companies that invest in different companies, right? They own about 44% share of this company right now still, okay? And if you see the increase and decrease position, it's a tie. A lot of firms are coming out of it. A lot of still in there because Bed Bath & Beyond is still trying to survive. They haven't given up on it. They haven't filed bankruptcy yet. They were able to raise that capital, even that equity share, the preferred convertible stock they offered for $228 million, which they got, and were able to make the interest payment. So they're not going bankrupt in next 30 days or something. Also, they're winding down the business in Canada, which means they're going to close all these stores, take the inventory, liquidate it, take the money, and invest in a U.S. market. So with that being said, so they're trying their best to survive right now, but cost to borrow also has gone down. I made a video yesterday talking about cost to borrow. What it is basically is this comes along with the short interest, right? So when company is financially not looking good, institutions will go ahead and short the stock, or it could be retail investors as well. They will borrow the stock from a broker for a fee. They would take that share they borrowed from the broker, sell it in the market because they know the price of the stock is going to come down. When the price of the stock comes down, they'll buy it back from the market, pay back the broker the share, take home the profit. Of course, they will pay him the fee as well, to the broker. With that being said, short squeeze is part of this. When they are shorting the stock, if there's one positive momentum comes up, like for example, on February 7th, there was a positive momentum which caused the stock to go to $7. That was a short squeeze. It was not something financial that happened that caused it or anything like that. So this is what we're after. We're after that short squeeze. I made a video yesterday, day before yesterday, talking about these levels. The lower level it could get to is $1.27, and it could bounce off of that. But right now, I think it's consolidating. Cost to borrow is also steady now, 187, which is similar to what we have for AMC. I think the price is going to fluctuate right here. But again, if you catch a momentum, right, if there's a dollar gain, you got to take that dollar gain and got to come out. I'm not holding anything overnight for the stock. Literally, I'm treating this as a trade right now. And because right now, in order for Bed Bath & Beyond to really prove that they got it, they need a couple of quarters. Okay, it's not going to be, first, second, third. Like this year, they need to really prove themselves. And the way this is going, I'm very skeptical about them surviving this whole thing anyway. So with that being said, at the end of the day, when they are about to give up and they're going to go for bankruptcy, and because we're making daily videos and we'll know with the information that we get every day, once there's any news that comes out, pretty much, we know that, okay, if the company's going out, these guys are going to short the stock, trying to maximize their profit. This is where the retail investor is going to come in and try to manipulate it the way they did the GameStop, and this is where we're going to make the money. So none of this is financial advice. This is what I'm predicting. This is what I think is going to happen. For now, the stock is consolidating. However, there's a lot of shorting happened the last few days. I'm optimistic to see some hike on the stock. So definitely keep an eye out on the stock. You could keep it on your watch list if you're using Robinhood, but definitely keep this on your watch list. And if you catch a momentum and, just to give you a strategy right here, then you got to take the lock in the profit. What I usually do is I look at the RSI. If it's getting above 70, MACD's coming up the signal line, and there's a positive candle, like a green candle forming, and I'll see a couple of them coming up, then I'm ready jumping in, and I'll lock in that 30 cents, 40 cent profit, because for me, that's good enough for now. But again, everybody's different. So hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.